Hello, my name's Teresa Greenway. Welcome to my course on baking the best pizza, featuring the Neo Neapolitan Pizza Crust. This crust is made with both commercial yeast and sourdough starter. When you use both a commercial yeast and a sourdough starter in a dough, it's often called a morphed dough or a hybrid dough. If you don't have a sourdough starter, don't worry. I show you how to make your own sourdough starter right in the course. It's easy and fun. Some of the best pizza establishments around use a sourdough starter in their pizzas, and they're the type of place you'd go to over and over again. Do you want to get started right away, but you don't have a sourdough starter? Well, you can. I have some variations of the original formula, and one uses just commercial yeast and the other uses just sourdough. So you can get started right away. You can make pizza today. In this course, we will also cover pizza sauces and toppings, but I don't go into any real depth because this course really features the Neo Neapolitan pizza dough for making the best pizza crust. So come on, let's get started. Let's have a lot of fun baking pizza.